Oh, my lens. Brother, I'm fogging up.
He's steaming right now.
Is that from you? I'm fogging up.
He's about to blow a gasket.
All right, I'm gonna insert the video from last night. You're gonna have to send it to me. Don't you dare reach for mine. At the gate, when you see me, this is gonna be off my wrist because it got pulled so tight. My hand's gonna fall off, so I'm gonna have to cut it off, and then hopefully you can give me a new one.
Moan a little bit,
dude.
Oh my god.
First of all, this knife is the biggest piece of shit.
Dave.
Hey, dude, I was just leaving it in my truck.
Is that a TikTok Benchmade?
No, I just grabbed him before he left.
Dude, I would throw it away.
Yeah. I mean, it cuts your thing off.
Maybe you should
cut off, didn't it?
Maybe sharpen it instead of throwing it away.
I didn't think about this. I should have cut just one end, and then I could have pulled it through.
Well, put it around your finger. Like, pull this out and just put it around your finger. When you shove it back up, just have it around your thumb. Be like, here you go.
Dude, honestly, fuck these things.
Put it in your butt. Bro, it's so tight.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Cut it off. Cut it off. It's alright, just...
Fucking up. This is not a good way to start a video, dude. Not a good way to start a video.
John was like, yeah, what would happen if I pull it tighter and he's just like holding it?
I got you guys. We're gonna have you guys looking right here.
I ain't gonna do it. He fucking literally does it as
Just a second. Oh, crystal clear. Welcome back, guys. Good to see you. It's been a while. Listen, I had the shittiest performing YouTube video of my career. My last YouTube video. You guys need to watch it. It's a comedic video of Mason doing an oil change on a generator. It's pretty funny. But yeah, that's what we got. So we are in Bradenton Motorsports Park. We're at the beach. Look at this. Look at our pit. We're at the beach, and it is Wednesday testing right now on the toolbox. Jason's in the lanes with the new freshly wrapped party time. Y'all want to go up there? Let's walk through the pits. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Today is just like a setup video, hanging out.
A few moments later.
And now here's Ollie Williams with the Blackie weather forecast. Ollie?
It's gonna rain!
Dude, don't put your belly away because I take the camera out. That's crazy. That's crazy. We haven't left the pit in the video so far. Talk to us about your day. Talk to us about your day, because I have some clips. I can throw some clips in. Well, it's okay. I mean, starts off with the reveal. No. It starts off with the reveal. Turn around, see the shirt. Yeah. Boom. Party time. Starts out with a reveal. Broke a valve spring warming up. Changed all the intakes. Being lazy. Should have changed the exhaust. Made a rip. New helmet, new everything. I felt like I thought that was a new helmet. It was. I felt crazy because I had all new shit, so I felt like I was all... Dude, you want to know what the craziest thing is? Carbon helmet laying on the floorboard of the car. Right? I didn't care. And there's a helmet hook right there. I had to move it because
that's how you know he's wealthy.
No, he literally can't hide money.
My hook was in the way of my shifter. So,
all right, continue. So you make the rip.
Broke valve springs. Okay, decent rip, first hit.
$60 in?
917. Okay.
No, 60. What happened? 60 foot in.
Oh, the pee peels off my wrap. The pee peeled off.
This is real life right now.
I got a rookie crew, barring your crew.
Listen, you can just sub all of us out. Like, listen, we get it.
I'm gonna tell you, they'll leave you because I treat them better than you treat them.
No, we already talked about this. What do I do that no other team does? Tell them, what do I do that no other team offers?
Don't ask me.
CJ, he's just being a dick. What do I offer?
If you feed me lunch, I might switch over.
No,
I would have bought your lunch today.
He's good, and he takes care of it.
Show him what I have for the crew. Show him. This is, listen, I'm not worried about right now. I'm worried about everyone's future. And this is a prime example because you know what, you can
As
feed
they're
them.
working and you're not doing
You
shit.
can feed them.
Did you take your vitamins today?
I have taken my vitamins today. Is that
Take some
melatonin?
more. No.
No.
You need 3 of those.
No, I've already done
And then
that.
we got John this, so he doesn't get treated no more.
That's the focus fish.
And then we got Tyler this, because
I
he
need
has
that.
problems
Dude,
with
Jason does need those.
And then these are for Mason.
You also need those.
Yeah, I need those.
And then these are for me and Dave, because we're perfect. So
Oh
we don't
my
need that
God.
special.
Exactly.
Oh my God.
I thought this was melatonin because he was trying to put you guys to sleep. Or maybe that's why he was laid on the tree, because he took the melatonin instead of
Oh,
actually.
my-
He gives these to Mason for him to fall asleep. And then what happens after that,
Like
I
a
don't
kid.
know.
All right, so 60 foot in, you lose the P. Brand new wrap.
Yeah.
The P ejectorcedo.
Yeah. Now I'm already time. So that happened. Come back, broke valve springs on the exhaust side because I was lazy and didn't change them,
But-
which you guys told me to, but I was lazy.
917, 60 foot. Really not bad off the range. Like, that's really good.
Yeah, yeah. And I mean,
Had it way slow.
yeah, I mean, this was just to get down, get a fuel number. Air was bad. So still 62. So
Came back, changing valve springs because you broke an exhaust.
changed the valve springs. Realized I lost even more stickers.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah, like all my sponsors on the back started peeling. They're gone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right, so talk to him about when I come over. Or was this not supposed to be on video?
No, that's fine. That's fine. I am over there in my element, changing my valve springs
By yourself.
by myself. Here comes mouth breathing John. Hey, wait, you need some help? No, I got it, buddy.
That's insane.
He's standing there helping me. I take the valve spring off, and all of a sudden I see the valve go, "Ew," because I forgot to put air on that side because I was on the cylinder before. And so it goes.
You walked away. You were done. You were done. Like, we're pulling the fucking head.
Yeah. I was like, we got a problem. So, John in his almighty glory was like, just get a magnet. I'm like,
no. I stopped myself. I said, no, wait, that's not a steel valve.
No, not
I'm
a
used to
steel
my
valve.
LS shit.
Yeah, not a steel valve. So, we added air to the cylinder and plugged the exhaust. Travis plugged the exhaust, and when he did, it slowly erected itself.
Dude,
Right back up in there, and I grabbed it.
went from a shit situation to a great situation.
I was prepared. Just
Yeah.
pull the fucking head. I'm done. I'm done.
And then you get it fixed. All the valve springs on there go up for your second rip. You're probably gonna run out the back, weren't you?
Oh yeah. Got out of here because they had a massive oil down. Got out of here, went like 2 trailers down, stopped. Probably a 3-hour line.
Yeah.
John comes up and says, it's gonna rain in 20 minutes. 5 minutes later, it starts pouring.
Dude, you just make me out to be a big old dickhead.
You sat around and did nothing today, so you just...
Dude, is that, I come to Florida, everyone just, I'm just a dickhead? Is that what it is?
You did buy lunch today, so
I
do
did buy
appreciate
lunch.
it.
I did buy lunch, and I'm gonna have a public apology for the incident that occurred in the staging area.
It wasn't his fault. He's a rookie at parking and
No.
staging. Yeah.
No. I listened to the guy in the high vis shirt, and then made some people upset. So I just want to publicly apologize and say I'm sorry that
You followed directions.
following directions made other people mad. No ill will intended. Believe it or not, we were going from there to park over here for the next week, so I didn't.
Wasn't a hurry. There's no need to be in a
No,
hurry.
I wasn't even
I
like
know,
rushing.
I
The
know.
guy in front of me in line was still sleeping in his rig, so I had to go around him.
What I heard today,
What'd you hear? Say it.
I'm just telling you, they told me you was full of shit.
Say it with your chest.
They said you was full of shit.
Good afternoon. First off, I want to say to our fans, our drivers, and everyone who showed up Saturday, I'm sorry. What happened in the pre-staging lot should never have happened. Our team followed direction from BMP staff.
So as we're backing the car into the rain here, and we get the car back here, my father's sole plan of the night, we can't get it out, we gotta go eat. I'm like, it's raining, we'll be good for a minute. We can get it out.
Oh, you can't get out of the
We can't get out. We can't get out, we gotta go eat.
How are you gonna eat dinner?
Oh my God.
What are we gonna do? We gotta eat.
Gosh.
All
The
right.
moped's free.
It was a eventful day.
It was one of those days you want to erase from your memory.
It was.
It wasn't that bad, but
It was
blink
just-
a wreck, so that
Yeah.
that was pretty bad.
Yeah. It was. We didn't test. We did nothing. We changed a set of wheels. Oh, I thought that we were gonna like be tearing the motor apart, and we had a low battery. We changed starters.
Stroud to give you a cow print cover. It's Dalmatian.
Dude, don't even start with that shit. So I got a new fire suit. We got new crew shirts. We got a lot of stuff going on. We got a lot of stuff going. Have you
It's
seen?
not going to be gold for long.
Have you seen my new fire suit?
I did see
Where's
it.
my cat?
Dude,
It's utterly terrific.
It's utterly
terrific.
Firefighter?
Huh?
The firefighter? And
If
the one that-
Mayola
one
does
down
not sponsor you,
What's Mayola?
Mayola Milk
Oh. Oh.
or Fairlife, how about that?
Fair, I'm better. Fairlife's owned by Coke. I already tried. I'm out. I'm
Check
out.
out Prairie Farms. They got the
Yeah.
Prairie Farms or Kroger. They have
You
the
can
best
get that
chocolate milk.
organic shit.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, like the non-pasteurized.
And then,
like,
and then when we,
grass-fed.
then when we beat anyone, we can say they're sucking our tit, right?
You need to go give them an udder sticker, just like when you beat them, udder sticker.
Well, I got an email from Wes. I got uninvited to the next 2 races because I can't stage properly. Not the car, the rig. Dude, absolute chaos. This is all. This I'm gonna.
We have determined we have pissed off the entire Pro Mod
Dude,
organization in one day.
I'm going to just say this. If you got mad at me because I followed directions in the, you know what? Let's scratch that. If you got mad at me because we entered the facility before you,
Suck it.
get a little bit thicker skin. Everything's gonna be okay. If you went in before me, congrats. But it's just
It
parking.
doesn't matter. We got shafted on parking.
Yeah, we're in the grass.
We're in the gross.
Anything? Is that? You're just gonna leave it at that?
I don't even want to get into that. That's a whole nother debacle.
We're in the beach. Yeah, we're at the beach. We're at the beach. We're at the beach. It's been a great day and a half. I haven't even told you guys. I can't tell them where we're staying. That's top secret. I can't release that information.
No,
that's top secret. So we're gonna get some food. Tim should be here later. I'm sure we'll film a little bit more.
Tomorrow.
Hey. You're not gonna hit me with the same thing? Wow, just shuts the window. Just shuts the window. It's absolutely crazy. Oh, he's back. You're not gonna hit me with the same thing, like, do good today. I hope you do good today.
I don't hope.
All right, guys. It's the next morning. It looks like it rained a little bit, but we're actually testing today. So you guys are definitely gonna have to check out tomorrow's video. We're just kind of going over everything right now. LP's already here. What's up, LP? Give me a status report.
Ready to warm her up.
Yeah?
Yep.
How'd you sleep?
We slept alright.
Don't tell them where we sleep, but give us a description of what you slept in.
It was built in the 1980s.
Little like one-room hut?
Yep. One room hut.
Very nice.
3 people to a bed.
3 people to a bed
Kind of
is
weird.
crazy work.
Kind of weird.
Kind of crazy work.
But as long as everybody sleeps on their back.
Dude,
it's okay.
our tuner's here, and our tuner actually offers an Uber service. So we rode to the racetrack with him. It was great. We're just really excited about it. So we got to wipe the car down. Logan's got the oil pan heater on it. We got the mega pit going on with Jason. Jason and Bob and them are sleeping. We're gonna cook some breakfast, and then we'll edit this video. Be good to go. All right, bro, we're organizing shit. I know you're organizing shit. I got to bring you your stuff.
Oh.
To get you started with the day. How you feeling? Give the people an update. When's the last time they saw you? I think the last time they saw you, we were Holly eating.
Yeah. That shit's for sale.
Actually for sale.
For sale.
So
not the kind like in the boat, like pull the jib.
No. We're
The other kind, like give me some money.
Yes. What? Give us your thoughts. Talk to us about your trip down, and then talk to us about your plan for the day.
Ooh, you gonna put in that video? I could send it to you.
Yeah, no, I already have it.
No, the other video.
Of you.
Where my knee is swollen. Look at that. Look at that thing. Look at it.
I got the video.
Yeah.
I could screen record.
I started a new construction company, and I break concrete for a living.
With your knee.
With my knee.
Very nice. So you left freezing Ohio?
Yep, it was snowing. Feet of snow to come down here.
How's your energy level down here? Are you excited?
I'm wondering, you think they pay us with a check or cash?
Definitely check. They're check people down
You really
here.
think so?
Yeah, check people for sure.
Ooh, you want to get that money out and we'll show them we're not fucking around, not gambling with Victor?
This is what I don't understand.
Like some people do that fake money shit.
I've never heard of that before. You were asking me. Tim asked me last night, he's like, so are these grudge races real? And I'm like, what do you mean are they real? Yeah, they're real. He's like, is it real money or fake money? And I'm like, I've never heard of racing for fake money.
It happens.
That's ridiculous.
Even on that TV show that a lot of people have been watching, yeah, it's fake.
No, this is real money. You saw me counting. You saw me divvying up the money.
And the cool thing, what we did is we took some of the hundreds out and we put 20s in there. So we're just going to have like a stack of 20s so we really look like we're broke.
Yeah. Tim's ripping on me because I actually do have a lot of 20s. Nice. We're good, though. We're feeling really excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
I think it's going to be okay. We can get rid of all those now.
Yeah, I got another box, so we're going to fill up our new box. Oh, shit, brother. Bro, hold on. Oh, your size large, right?
Yeah.
This is the first time this is seen on video. Our new crew shirts.
Well, they haven't seen them yet?
No, look at that.
What's it say? That looks good in orange, huh?
It really does look good.
If we win this, Chris said he'd give us all Rolexes.
Yeah, that's
Because I don't even know what time it is.
a pretty good deal.
I think so.
What are your thoughts? Crew shirts, you digging it?
Looks good.
Dude.
You scared me when you said it was cow. Like it's not bad.
No,
it's
like,
tastefully done.
Yes, no. Alliance Racewear did an amazing job on it. They look really good, and I just hope you're fired up to everyone be up there.
Yeah.
But we're gonna stand out. That's for sure. And everyone's gonna get mad because we're having more fun than everyone else.
Wow, look what it says right here. Wow, they spelled. It looks like they spelled Holly wrong. Huh. Weird.
I'll make it official. I'm now a Fuel Tech guy. I just said it publicly.
Wow, look at this. Look at that.
That's nice. You like that, don't
Yeah.
you?
Hang on, let me look at the other one before I say what I was going to say. Yeah. See that shit, Kevin? You didn't make the sleeve. Boom.
Kevin made the chest. Kevin made the chest.
Fuck the chest. Nobody wants a chest. They look good.
I'm excited. I can't wait to see everyone in them. So we're not going to break those out till qualifying. We go up there street clothes until we qualify. So feeling really good. We got a little bit cleaning up in here to do. Dude, better than the old ones, don't you think? Are you going to take your old one home and put it in like a shadow box?
Oh, okay. Ooh, look, it's got my name in it.
Wow, you literally signed yours?
Yeah.
No, that's why everyone was calling Mason Tim the other day. They must have seen it. All right. I got to cook some breakfast. And we'll get ready to start our day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Next video, we're going to reveal our new fire suit, and then we'll see you in the next upload.